Good morning, YouTube. 3G Racing here, coming back at you with another video today, and we are up bright and early today getting ready for SCCA Warminster. We got the Camaro loaded up. I'm in the 3000 right now, so let's get right into the action. Here's the Camaro, guys. My dad's loading everything up now, so we're gonna head to Wawa, then we'll be right on our way. Nothing like a truck accident on the side of the highway to start our day, guys. Already backed up, probably lost a solid 5-6 minutes from this, so the whole highway was blocked off. They just got one of the trucks out of the way, but we're in some pretty heavy traffic now, so yeah. What's going on, guys? Just got up to the track here. Got to get teched in and stuff, I guess, but it's quite the adventure coming in. My dad's still in the lanes back there. You can probably see him, but yeah. And here's the course layout we're running today. Alright, y'all, so we're 2 runs deep right now. Not able to get my GoPro mounted, so I'm not gonna have any in-camera footage here. I got a video of my dad though, so I'll show you all that here. Yeah, I'm having the time of my life out here. This is so much more fun than drag racing, and I just love the whole competitive nature of it. So definitely going to be back doing this more. GoPro mount next time, but yeah, I'm having a blast here at the 3K. All right, y'all, so I just checked the standings, and I'm currently in 3rd in my class out of 7 cars right now. So I'll show you all a picture of that here. But yeah, I'm honestly really impressed. I improved 6 seconds off my first run, so hopefully I can improve a little bit more on this next pass and really push the car and see where we can get. All right, y'all, I got real squirrely on that last pass. Still ran a new PB though, because I was pushing the car real hard. Ran a 43.8, so if we can just avoid almost spinning out, then we should be good to go for our next run. Alright, guys, that's going to do it for our runs in today. I made a slight error on that last run. It felt a little bit sluggish, and I messed up the last turn. I misread it a little bit, so it is what it is. But overall, I had a great time racing out today, and now it's time to go do the work. Alright, guys, that's going to do it for today's video then. I hope you enjoyed. I did get some shots of the car, so that was pretty cool. But I'll show you guys the overall standings right here. Yeah, ultimately great time. I recommend everybody do autocross. Honestly, my best time I've ever had in a car, so tons of fun. But yeah, make sure to like, subscribe, all that, and I'll see you all in the next video. Peace.